We're live.
We're really live?
We
Hey
are.
everybody, it's Keely reporting live from Still with a Kiss. It's Tuesday, and I have a lot of stuff to show you today. At first I thought, we don't have that much more coming this week, but a huge box just arrived, and so we haven't had one of these in a while. A box opening, yay, everybody likes those. We haven't been able to do box openings because the boxes sometimes arrive within an hour after the video, and we can't let it sit in the box all week, but one FedEx is, being nice to us today and rolled it in about 15 minutes ago. So we're kind of excited about that. Okay, first we'll talk about what came in since we last met that I've already got out of the box. This is some of the products that we ordered while at H&H in Chicago on our business trip, our road trip, and they're really cute. It's this company called Knit Bob Pearl. They make fun things for people who knit. These are wine glasses, and they are so cute. I don't know if you can see in the picture. This one says Sheepwreck, and it has a bunch of wheelbarrows with yarn and sheep laying on the ground. This one, I don't know if you can see, the pictures don't show up very well, do they? 3 sheeps to the wind, and they're blowing around in the wind. Sheep-faced. I just thought they were fun.
Hold it still for just a minute.
I'm
Let me
moving
get
too
it
fast.
focused. There we go.
Okay, thanks, Jeannie. And this last one, wool plus wine equals frog.
Okay.
Yeah, so we thought these are fun, especially if maybe if you have a knitting and wine drinking group, you can tell whose glass is whose. Those are fun. We also have the mugs. These are a nice size mug. We got the big ones. This one is a knitting group. I think it's called Wendy's Knitting Group. Which other ones we have? This is one of my favorites. Lay flat to dry. I'm making a mess. Bad to the Bone with her motorcycle and motorcycle jacket. And then this is the Sheepwreck. So that's the same design that's on the wine glasses, but you can see it a little bit better on the colored mug. And I'm scared to death I'm going to knock these off the table. I'm going to try really hard. Me unbreakable things. There are also note cards to go with. And these are nice note cards that are made on paper so that you could frame them if you wanted to, make a photo. There's the 3 sheeps to the wind. Bad to the Bone design. There's others. Sheepwreck. I like this one. It says, I can't read upside down.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to card you.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
And then Ramalama Ding Dong. Yeah, so that one was fun. And then these have different washing instructions. So if you're gifting, it's a good way to let your recipient know how to wash. And they're really cute. It's hand wash. Get to my favorite one here. Of course, lay flat to dry. We like them basking in the sun. I like this one. Cold water wash. Look, she got in the hot tub and shrunk. I thought that one was hilarious.
That's cute.
Reshape. All the different shapes. And squeeze gently. So those are the washing instructions. You're going to have to pick all these up later, Jean. Like you're making a mess.
Of
You're just going
course.
to leave it. And these are different little thank you cards. And on the back, it kind of shows you the different designs. I got all the box sets that have the different stuff. And then these are stitch markers that also have all their different washing instruction logos on there. So you could use them as stitch markers, or you could, attach them to the project if you wanted to. And lastly, this is like a notebook for notes and whatnot. Comes with a bookmark for fiber people. Nice little gifts for others or for you. And let's see, I lost my list. Let's do the unboxing. What do you say? Yay! Everybody likes unboxings. Okay. Like I said, it's a big box. Some of this is from Chawla. This is one of our favorite bag companies. Some are repeats, but I got a lot of new stuff too. This is the most popular bowling style bag. And they come with a key fob. And the way we do it, you can get it without the key fob, or you can pick whichever key fob you desire. And it comes in the pink color. Let's see here. Oh, this is one of the new key fobs I got. The cat. Do a lot of animals. This company does a lot of charity with animals too. Brown. Oh, there's a new color in this bag. So, haha, maybe a same old bag we have that we sell like crazy, but a new color. Is that pretty? kind of a.
Oh, look at that butterfly.
That's another new key fob.
pretty.
We got a ton of new key fobs. We sell these like mad. We have a lot of new ones that are good. I was surprised. I haven't ordered from them in a while. Horses for the horse people.
Turn it around.
Oh, it flipped
Keep
around.
up, yeah.
We could have used this last weekend with the rodeo in town,
Yeah.
but that's all right. There's always a rodeo in town here. Oh, a lot of y'all are gonna like this one too. Hold on, I'm gonna get it off the bag so it's a surprise. But I'm totally. Blue bag. Look at that one. Isn't the camper cute?
That's cute.
Yes, I knew some of you guys are gonna want that one. Okay, so that's the big bag. I'm gonna throw this down here. Make more room. Oh, this is a new style. It's a backpack. We haven't had these before. Aren't they cute?
Oh, that's cute.
They have the straps and little striped. It's got the sea turtles. Owls. See, I thought I was going to have a short and sweet video today. Ha! Here comes the big box of fun. I've got more stuff coming. Daisy with the little dragonfly. I think these backpacks are cute.
They are cute.
Okay, and now we're down to what? Wallets. I'm still going to make a big mess over here again. These are wallets. With the sunflowers. We've had this one before, but it's a popular one. Everybody loves little cardinals. I like this one. Covered with tape. Ladybug. Oh, I thought this is a new design, little chickadees.
Oh, that's cute.
Aren't they cute? And that's the wallet. The pile is up there. And now we get to the key fobs. I bought a bunch of key fobs. I don't know if I'll get them all, get to them all, but we'll get a pretty good idea. Westies.
We
The
still
pigs
have
new.
all of those.
Well, I buy more than one. Look at that's new. There's a lot of news. I bought a lot of animals. Everybody likes the animals. That's that. It's like a matching game. Oh look, I might win. Okay, look at me. I feel like I'm free. Oh. Yeah, that's just I bought it. We sell these like crazy.
We do.
Well, I had a ton of them, and then the other day I was out there helping people, and I looked in the basket. I thought we are low. That
that's
cross
a new
is
one.
new. Yeah, that's a new cross. Like the bee, the dragonfly. The dragonfly is like new, but it's been really super hard to get. It seems like every time I order, there's another type of sunflower. Cat. The guitar. And flowers. 2 pianos. Look, they were together already. These are super gifts for people. How many more handfuls are in there? Time to start a new stack.
Ladybug.
Oh, and the rooster's always a good one.
Yeah.
That's this cat. I've never had a yellow cat. That's a, I don't know my dog breeds, Pomeranian. German Shepherd. Hummingbird. That's another popular one. That's the German Shepherd. He goes here. I mean, I don't know what dog would be next. Pomeranian. Frogs. Frogs are fun. Owl. Owl. He's over here. Chihuahua. These are the golden retrievers, but they are sold. I already have both those sold. Someone heard they're coming in. We'll get more, don't worry. He's around here somewhere. I give up. The camper. The cow. Unicorn. There's another dog. More flowers. I'm still pulling out keychains. I told you I bought a lot of, we're not gonna need keychains for a while, but I wanted them all. Cardinal. Oh, here's the mermaid. They're not matched up anymore. I lost the game. Sloth. because my table's too small. Chickadees, bulldog, another sloth, llamas. We've had the llama before. I just thought the camper was so cute. More chickadees. I'm throwing them on the floor now. I can start to see the bottom of the box. Thank you for not getting the video of me bending over to drag them out of the box. That'd be quite not for TV. Ladybug. Oh, the turtle. We had him before. Have we had him before?
I don't know.
Yoda's blowing up your phone over there.
I
Jeannie.
know. Somebody's texting me.
The weenie dog. Oh, look, little corgi. The bow tie on. The bulldog again. The buffalo. Sorry I'm not taking him out of the plastic. We'd be here till trying to go home if I did that. Oh, I got a sports ball one. You got baseball? Gray cat. That's that cross again. That's new. More baseball. A running weenie dog. Sheep. Bluebird. We've had those. I'm still finding new ones. Okay, I think, can I get them all in one handful maybe? I think this is the end of the pile. Then we'll move on. Butterfly, gray cat, the horse. Like I said, with the bags, you can switch out. You can put any of these on the bag, or you don't have to get a bag. You can just put them on what bag you have. These make fabulous gifts. Oh, flip-flops, those are new
Yeah.
for summer. Okay, and that's the end of that box. I'm tired now. Okay, so that's the challah box. I told you we had a lot coming in. I told you guys I bought a ton of challah. I was not kidding. You may have got a little surprise in your mailbox. If you didn't, it doesn't mean that we excluded you. It's just we can't mail to everybody, and it's not personal. We just kind of export a list. But just in case you didn't, you got these cute little card in the mail with our little favorite pink flamingos. And we are having a sale this Saturday. We know how to have a sale. I'm known for my epic sales, and this one will be as epic as any. We don't mess around with tiny little 10, 15% off. That's called a discount. This is a sale. Everything on our store will be 20% up. We even have a whole table of just please take me home stuff. It's in store, starts at 10 on Saturday. Not every single thing's on sale, like the new stuff isn't. But trust me, there's enough on sale that you're gonna go a little bonkers in here. We'll have food. It's gonna be a party, gonna be a great time. That's this Saturday, 10 a.m. Be there. If for some reason you can't be there and you watch from afar and you're like, dang it, this sucks for me, don't worry. Watch your email, watch our website the following day. On Sunday, I'm gonna have a surprise online for you guys then. So Saturday, we hope to see you then. Tina brought in a new sample that she just finished. Isn't it cute? I could wear that one too. I think my fat arms will fit. We usually make smaller sizes. I think I could put my arms in there. It comes in other sizes. This is Pinarello. This is a Barocco design, and it's made with a Barocco splash, which is kind of a cool yarn. I thought the brown was a fun color. So she did a wonderful job. Of course, I've still got, everything's still kind of around. We've got to make, that's why we have to have a sale. We have to make room for all this new stuff coming in. And the bulk of it isn't even here yet, like the yarn. That's coming soon. And I told you guys, this is a new, I showed you last week, that I had shoes to match. I wasn't kidding, was I, Jeannie?
No.
Next, I think in my yellow chartreuse shoe range, I think I had at least 4 pairs. Yeah, but I thought these are the perfect ones. I picked them up in Spain, so naturally I had to wear this top today. Many of you are asking about our fall classes. You know I've been working on some really cool, fabulous new classes for fall. That schedule should post by the end of this week if everything goes as planned. But I already have one exciting class up that's new for fall to tell you about. I don't have the book. I'm gonna go get the book. We're doing a design workshop. I know many of you wish you could create your own patterns, have sweater ideas in your head, but maybe don't have the direction in order to do that with. So we have teamed up with designer Shirley Payton. I don't know if you're familiar with Shirley. If you've knit for very long, especially out of Vogue Knitting, you will know who she is. Going back forever, my favorite designs in Vogue have always been Shirley's. She is just a phenomenal designer. And she has a whole program with her Knit Design Workshop that we're going to be hosting in our store along with Shirley. Shirley's not going to, don't get excited. She's not going to fly in from New York for our classes all the time, but she will be appearing virtually and guide us along. This is not a class for someone who has never even knit a sweater before. I feel like you need to have some familiarity with sweater construction. You don't need to be an expert, but you at least need to kind of have a basic idea of how a sweater is made before you venture off and make your own. You don't have to be a math expert too, but if basic math just isn't your thing, very basic math, you're probably going to struggle through this because designing is numbers. But again, you don't have to have a PhD in math to design a sweater. So this is going to be a class that starts September 9th. You won't want to miss the first one because Shirley will be, here virtually, and we're going to really get started, and we're just going to kind of work at our own pace, meeting up every 2 weeks until your design comes to life. What's cool about this is if you really get into this, Shirley has design challenges that she holds, people that win prizes, people that get published. So it's a good way to kind of dip your toe into becoming a knitwear designer if that's what you want to do, or if you just want to know more about it and want to make a sweater for yourself. Come and join us. We don't take in very many, but signups are online now. The rest of the fall schedule will follow suit soon. Did I cover everything? Made a list. I always do. I think I did. Like I said, we're crazy busy with all the new stuff coming in, and we've got to kind of do something with it to get ready for the sale on Saturday. It's going to be a big one. I hope you can join us. We're going to have a good time, right, y'all?
Yes.
Yes, yay. Okay, hope to see you Saturday. If not, I'll be here live next Tuesday with the aftermath and more new things to report on. Bye, guys.